Hello mga kalubis! Good morning to everyone. A beautiful day to everybody all around the world. Well, today's video, magluluto tayo ng pineapple stream. I hope you will like my menu for today and you will enjoy with me in the kitchen. So, I prepare this one, yung shrimp natin, garlic, chopped onion, chopped chili green and red, and paprika, pepper powder, seasoning, pineapple, at saka yung ating tomato paste. So, let's start cooking. Okay, now guys, ilagay na natin ang ating oil. Yung menu pala natin is spicy pineapple shrimp. I hope you will like it guys kasi napaka-delicious ang pagkaluto nito ng ating hipon. Ngayon, ilagay na natin ang ating garlic. Let the garlic into golden brown. Mas okay yung brown na brown yung ating garlic. Kasi lumalabas yung aroma, yung tunay na amoy talaga ng garlic. And it's very delicious. Okay, saute lang natin siya. And guys, mahilig ba kayo sa shrimp? Kung meron kayong mga allergy, iwasan nyo lamang pong kumain ng shrimp, no? And then, ilagay na natin ang ating chopped onions. Yung chopped onion nga pala natin guys is I prefer the white onion. Kasi yung white onion is may ano siya taste ng medyo manamis-namis. Kasi yung red onion is parang medyo may pagka matapang. And pag magluto tayo ng pineapple shrimp, much better to use the white onion. Mas masarap yung white onion. Okay, saute lang natin yung ating onion. Okay. So, next nito guys is yung ating hipon, shrimp. Ilagay na natin ang ating hipon. Guys, sa pagluto ng hipon, kailangan lang po natin yung hipon is hindi ma-overcook. Once ma-overcook ang hipon, hindi po siya malasa. Hindi na po siya masarap. Para na siyang akala mo kumakain ka na ng ano ba yun, bulak. So, much better yung hipon natin is tama yung cook. Pag nag-red na yung hipon natin, it's already cooked. Wag na nating palampasin na ma-overcook siya kasi sinabi ko na hindi masarap ang hipon pag overcook. So I add the chili green and the red chili para maging spicy konti ang ating hipon. Optional po yan guys, pero may mga babies kayo sa bahay na hindi mahilig sa mga spicy food, wag nyo na lamang po lagyan ng chili. So I add already the paprika powder and then yung pepper powder and the seasoning. Okay. And then guys, take note, if you cook the shrimp, wag na po kayong mag-add ng water kasi yung shrimp natin is nagtutubig na po yon. And besides, yung pineapple tidbits natin, enough na para makaluto sa ating shrimp. So I add already the tidbits, the pineapple tidbits. Yung pineapple tidbits natin guys, siya po yung nagbibigay ng medyo tamis sa ating shrimp. So, no need adding sugar. Perfect taste na po ang tidbits na ating gagamitin. Okay, hayaan lang muna natin siya ng around 2 minutes to 3 minutes. Maluluto na po yan. As what I said guys, huwag niyo pong i-overcook ang ating shrimp kasi hindi po masarap. Now, I add little salt, konti lang kasi may seasoning na tayong nailagay. At saka, optional lang to guys ha. Kung ayaw nyong gumamit ng betsin sa house, pwede pong hindi na. So, sa akin naman, pinatakan ko lang ng onting betsin powder to add the taste. And now, I make a hole in the middle kasi dyan ko ilalagay ang ating tomato paste. When adding the tomato paste, guys, take note, wag damihan. Tama lamang po. Kasi sometimes yung tomato paste, pag over sa dami, nagkukos po siya ng medyo pagkamaasim, sour. So, parang hindi maigi pag talagang malasahan mo na yung asim. So, paglagay ng tomato paste, tama lamang po sa dami. Ayan po guys. It's very good color now, turned into perfect color, and it's very delicious, guys. Pwede yan pang baon sa ating mga kiddos, yung mga nanay na may mga estudyante. Sa sinabi ko na optional lamang po ang paglagay ng ating green and red chili. Pag yung mga baby nyo naman mahilig sa chili, okay, pwede kayong gumamit sa tama lamang ng anghang. So now, okay, ayan. So, I think it's 2 minutes, or I think it's only 2 minutes enough for that. Naluluto na talaga yung hipon. Kasi yung shrimp natin is easy to cook lang yan. Madali lamang pag magkulay magkulay red na yan, yung hipon natin, it's already cooked. Okay, so lipat na natin siya sa ating plate. It's already done. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Okay, hinanda ko na yung ating plate. So, now, let's do the plating. It's perfect for the lunch. Yung mga hindi pa nakaisip ng pang-lunch, kung meron kayong shrimp sa ref nyo, you can do this. You can cook. At saka guys, it's really delicious kasi as what I said, hindi tayo gumamit ng water. We don't add water when cooking the shrimp. Iluto ang ating shrimp, pineapple shrimp, and I hope you enjoy with me here in the kitchen for our menu for today. And thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. See you each other again in my next video. And some other menu pa na gusto nating matutunan. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. And take care, everybody. Keep safe and always happy. Maraming salamat po sa pagpanood ng aking video. Thank you so much. Bye!